Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got over $120 worth of products for less than $9. There are tons of great deals in the CVS ad that started today, Sunday, December 6th, and runs through Saturday, December 12th. Before I get into the breakdown of all of these items, I want to talk with you about my giveaway that starts today. So as promised, I will be doing a $20 gift card giveaway starting today. The giveaway will end on midnight, December 12th, and the winner will be announced in my CVS video next week, December 13th. The official rules for the giveaway can be found in the video description below, but you need to be a subscriber of the channel and comment below with one of your favorite holiday traditions or something you just really enjoy doing this time of year. I know for my family, we like to be Secret Santas to people, so we like to put together little gifts and drive around and drop off gifts on people's doorsteps to give them a little surprise during the holiday season. So remember, the giveaway ends December 12th and the winner will be announced on the 13th during my CVS video. If you win, you need to claim your prize within 48 hours by emailing me at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. The winner will get to choose a $20 gift card to Target or a $20 gift card to Walmart. So whichever your preference is, that is where I will get you a gift card to. All right, so let's get into the breakdown of these items. First of all, I noticed that the Poise Pads were on sale 2 for $10 this week, but I had a ton of digital coupons and CRTs on my card, so I went ahead and put together a little deal for these. They are not free, but if this is a product that you use or you make donations of these items, it comes out to be a really great price. So these pads here are 2 for $10. I purchased 3 of them, so 2 will be $10. The third one will ring at $5.99. Now, I had a $4 off a $12 adult care CRT. I had a $5 off 2 manufacturer's coupon. I had a $2 off 1 manufacturer's coupon. They were both digital. And then I had a $3 off any Poise product CRT clip to my card as well. So completely digital deal. I paid $1.99 for all 3 of these items. Now, you also want to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because this is one of the products that they have a deal for right now on the Fetch Rewards app. If you don't have Fetch Rewards yet, I would love it if you used my referral code here. And when you download the app, you will get some extra points in your account for using my code. All right, next up, and this is just something that I was playing with this morning, there was a deal on tampons and pads. Again, I had CRTs that I was playing with. So these CVS tampons were on sale for $3.45. So I grabbed 2 boxes of those. I had a $1 off a $6 feminine care purchase CRT. I also had a $3 off 3 any pad tampon liner CRT. So I grabbed this little guy to make it my 3rd item. That one was only $1.39. So I had the $3 off 3 CRT, I had the $1 off a $6 feminine care purchase, and then I had a 20% off Care Pass that took off like a penny, but it still did come off at the register. But another random coupon came off at the register. It was a $3 off like CVS melatonin or something like that. So I ended up paying $1.28 for all 3 of these items. So that was a really great price. Scan it if this is something that you're interested in. Take your CVS app and scan the product and it will show you which coupons that you have on your card that would apply to the purchase. Another great deal this week is on the Suave body wash. It's both men and women's. I purchased the men's body wash. It's buy one, get one half off. At my store, they are priced at $2.39. So one is $2.39. The other one will ring for $1.19. I had a $2 off 2 Suave body wash CRT. There is also a $1 off Suave body wash in the Retail Me Not from today's inserts. So if you use one of those, you would pay 58 cents. You can use 2 of them. If you have the CRT and you use 2 of the $1 off coupons, your CRT would adjust down, making both of these items free. But again, scan your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. It's giving back 75 cents for each of these. So I got $1.50 back, and for me, it became a 92-cent moneymaker. All right, let's talk about some more beauty deals. Wet n Wild this week is spend 10, get 5 extra care bucks back. And so I was trying to get as close as I could to that $10 mark. I grabbed the Wet n Wild mascara priced at $3.89. I grabbed the concealer, the Wet n Wild concealer priced at $4.39. And then I grabbed the lipstick priced at $1.79. Now I had a $4 off a $10 Wet n Wild purchase CRT. So I paid a total of $6.07, and I got $5 in extra care bucks back, but $10 is counting towards beauty, which is essentially like getting another $1 back. So it makes it 7 cents for all 3 items. If you're wondering why the $10 is like getting $1 back, it's because with CVS, for every $30 you spend in beauty products, you get a $3 extra care buck back. And it will just track from week to week. So every time you've accumulated $30 in beauty products, you'll get that $3 in extra care bucks back. So another beauty deal that I did this week was on the Maybelline Baby Lips. These are priced at $4.79 at my store, and this week Maybelline is buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck, but I had a $4 off any Maybelline purchase CRT, so I paid a total of $5.58, and I got $5 in extra care bucks back. But again, $9.58 would track towards beauty, so that's like making this free and a little bit of a moneymaker. Plus, it's the winter time, and so I figured having extra lip moisturizer would be good. All right, there is a great deal on the Hersheys minis this week, especially if you hung on to your coupon from last week. So these are on sale, 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck back. But if you kept your coupon from last week, a digital coupon, there was one for $2 off any 2 Hersheys product. So 2 for $6 minus the $2 makes it 2 for $4. You get $2 back, making it 2 for $2 or just $1 a bag. So that's a great little stocking stuffer. All right, next up, and this is my favorite deal. Y'all, this ended up being crazy fantastic. The spend 30, get 10 with the laundry care products. I ended up getting all of this for $4.31, which works out to be 47 cents an item. So let me tell you how I did that. First, I purchased 2 of the Tide Pods priced at $4.94. There was a $2 off digital coupon that I clipped to my card, and I also used a $2 off coupon from the December P&G. I also grabbed 2 of the Blue Bottle All Laundry Detergent. It's priced at $2.99. I had a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon that I clipped to my card, and then I had a $1.50 off 1 printable coupon I got off coupons.com. I also grabbed this all free and clear $2.99. There was a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon I clipped to my card. There's also a $1.50 off 1 on coupons.com. So for some reason you don't have the digital, you can print it from coupons.com. I then grabbed 2 of the Snuggle fabric softener sheets. These were also priced at $2.99. I had a $2 off any 1 Snuggle product CRT that came off, And then I purchased 2 Snuggle fabric softeners, again $2.99 each. I did not have coupons for those items. However, on Ibotta, they're giving back $1.50 each on the fabric softener sheets and the fabric softener liquid. Double check your Ibotta app. Some people may have it, some people may not. Mine was $1.50 back on each. So let me do the math for you real quick. So I purchased all of these items, $1.50 off the all digital, $1.50 off all printed from coupons.com, $1.50 off all digital, $2 off Snuggle CRT, 2 different $2 coupons for the Tide. I paid $20.31. I got back $10 in extra care bucks, and then I got back $6 on Ibotta, $1.50 each on each of the fabric softeners, making my final total just $4.31 or 47 cents a product. So that was a fantastic deal on detergent and laundry care items. Great, I think I hit everything. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Good luck shopping this week. I hope y'all have a fantastic week. Stay tuned for my Walgreens video, which will be coming up shortly this week. I also did a video on how to shop online with Ibotta. I posted that last night. So if you are interested in earning those Ibotta bonuses that just popped up, good for online shopping, I walk you through step by step how that process works. I had never done online shopping through Ibotta before, so I gave it a try and tried out a bunch of different things and then put together a video that explained the process to you. All right, guys, hope y'all have a great day. Bye.